Greenwood Stock Trading coming at you with another live video. Live trade. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. We are coming to you live FTIV. Now, this stock is looking like it could be a longer term swing. You see this consolidation, so you see a pop all the way to 17 and then a pullback. So it's been holding this trend line for quite some time, and it's above this 20 moving average. So this 20 moving average is kind of acting like support, and so every time it touches, it bounces. And so now it finally ran up a little bit, but it's pulling back. So we may see, let's check the hourly chart. We may see this thing make another run up once it pulls back just a little bit to this trend line or this moving average. Now let's get into the fun stocks. INDO. Look at this. Now, that's why we always say take profits. We want to make big wins, we want to get big gains, but when stocks are volatile, we have to take profits at some point. Even if you sell half your position here, you get in, you sell half your position, and then we got another opportunity to exit right here at $11, almost $12. You don't want to be stuck in here. You don't want to be stuck here. And notice these trend lines. Once they break below, it's hard for them to move back up. So obviously, it pulled up to this trend line, ran back, tries to break the trend line again, and just gets pushed back down. So if you're shorting, keep in mind these trend lines are moving downwards, then you can short. If they're moving upwards, then you can go long until it breaks the trend line. I use the 20, okay, which is the blue, the 50, which is the light blue, and the 200, which is the red. It's down here. All right, last stock for the day, IPDN. What happened? Well, this is a Bitcoin play. I think I covered this in my last video too. Basically, they're talking about blockchain, which is Bitcoin, which is all of the new technology for cryptocurrency. Okay, so when you see a pop out of the blue, when it came from no volume, 2,000 shares traded, 3,000 shares traded, all of a sudden to 1 million shares traded, you know that this can hold. All you have to do is set an alert as to where the pre-market high is. Once it breaks it, you're in a pretty safe position to go ahead and enjoy some gains, okay? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, NSYS. Last one, we talked about this yesterday. I talked about it in my Discord that notice these little dots. When you see these little dots and they're trending up, these little dots normally lead to bigger bars. It normally leads to a breakout, okay? So I'll cover that in another video. If you want coaching, give me a shout, greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com. Message me, Twitter @greenwoodstocks, and we will see you on the green side.